Hi guys, in this video we talk about Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus versus Realme 12 Pro Plus. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus launched on January 2024 with a price tag of $450. Realme 12 Pro Plus launched on January 2024 with a price tag of $400. The body dimensions: Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus launch height 6.35 inches, width 2.92 inches, thickness 8.9 mm. Realme 12 Pro Plus height 6.36 inches, width 2.91 inches, thickness 8.8 mm. The weight of these devices: Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 199 gram and the Realme 12 Pro Plus 196 gram. The both devices come with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and it's come with dual SIM nano SIM cards fitted. The display of these devices: the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus come with AMOLED 68 billion color screen type, and the Realme 12 Pro Plus come with AMOLED 1 billion color type. The screen size is same 6.7 inches and 6.7 inches in both devices, and the resolution of these devices: Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus come with 1.5K screen resolution, and the Realme 12 Pro Plus come with 1080p screen resolution, and the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus come with 446 ppi density. The Realme 12 Pro Plus come with 394 ppi density. The refresh rate of these devices is same 120Hz, and the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus come with 89.7% screen to body ratio. Realme 12 Pro Plus come with 90.4% screen to body ratio. And the protection: Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus come with Gorilla Glass Victus protection. Realme 12 Pro Plus come with Gorilla Glass screen protection. The Realme 12 Pro Plus come with 950 ppi net peak of brightness, and the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus come with 1800 nit peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 200 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel micro, and it's record 4K 30 fps video. The Realme 12 Pro Plus come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 64 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's record 4K 30 fps video. The selfie camera of these devices: the Realme 12 Pro Plus come with 32 megapixel selfie camera, and it's record 1080p 60 fps video record. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus come with 16 megapixel selfie camera, and it's record 1080p 60 fps video record. The platform of these devices: the both devices come with octa-core CPU with Cortex A715 and Cortex A78, and the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus come with MediaTek 7200 Ultra 4nm chipset, and the Realme 12 Pro Plus come with Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 4nm chipset. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus come with a Motorola G610 and GPU, and the Realme 12 Pro Plus come with Adreno 710 GPU, and the both devices come with Android 13 operating system. The memory of these devices: the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus come with 8GB, 12GB and 16GB of RAM. The Realme 12 Pro Plus come with 8GB and 12GB of RAM, and the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus come with 256GB and 512GB internal storage. The Realme 12 Pro Plus come with 128GB, 256GB internal storage. No SD card support in both mobiles. Let's go to the battery setup. The Realme 12 Pro Plus come with 5000 mAh battery, and the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus come with 5000 mAh battery too. And the fast charging: Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus come with 120 watt fast charging, and the Realme 12 Pro Plus come with 67 watt fast charging. No wireless charging in both mobiles, and it's come with 5G network support. The commons and feature is same, but the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus come with IP68 rating, and the Realme 12 Pro Plus come with IP65 water dust resistance. The result of these devices: the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus got 24 points, and the Realme 12 Pro Plus got 16 points.